Hello, Jean's Restaurant here with a used DFG 100 for sale. The thermostat inside is set right at 350 and outside we're set at 350. As you can see, both of the lights work inside as well as the switch. And then the blower's on the low setting, but it also works on the high setting. And as well, you have a functional 60-minute timer on this top unit. And then on the bottom unit, again, you can see both lights work. The thermostat, where we're set at, also just a tad above 350. The switch for the lights works, as well as the blower. It's on low setting, turn it on high. You can hear it work on both settings. And this unit as well has a manual 60-minute timer that also works. And that is a used DFG 100 by Blodgett, brought to you by Jean's Restaurant Supply.